Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. So a lot of you have been asking me, how do I take off my makeup? So let me show you how I take off my makeup right now. And for the record, I've never done this before, taking off my makeup in front of the camera, but what the heck, anything for all of you. I love you. Let's begin right now. Starting with the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for the lids, lashes, and lips, and a cotton pad. Just shake, 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 halo, halo, just like in the Philippines, mix, mix, and then saturate, saturate, saturate your cotton pad with the makeup remover, and then start taking off your makeup. So first, I'm going to start with this eye area. The trick is to press, to wiggle, to press, to wiggle, and let the product sink in, and then you slide. Then we're gonna start on the other eye. And you just do exactly the same trick. You press, you wiggle, you press, you wiggle, and then you slide. Tanggal na ang first layer, di ba? And now, going back to the other eye, just to take off the excess glue and excess stubborn mascara, just hold your lids with your other finger and then swipe and do the same thing right on the other side. Hold the lid and then take off the glue and the mascara and then you swipe. Tanggal na ang eye makeup. And now you may be wondering, after our eyes, how about the face? I know you're gonna raise your eyebrows because what I'm going to do right now is not what a lot of people do, but I'll just switch the dirty side of the cotton pad to the other side. And since the eye makeup remover sets is for the lids, lashes, and lips, I decided to just also use that for my face. Why not? I've been doing it for several years now and it works for me, and I really want to be honest to you how I take off my makeup. So let's do the cleaner side right now to take off my face makeup. And now it's the easy part. You just use the cleaner side of the cotton pad just to take off your makeup. Diba? Ang tipid, you only used one cotton pad. It's amazing! So you just wet your face with water. And then you get a small amount of your facial cleanser. And just massage the facial cleanser right on the face. Massage, massage lang, best! And then it's time to rinse it off with water. And then you rinse it off with water. I like using water that's a bit lukewarm, yung maligam-gam, just so that it really is comfortable right onto the skin. Or you can also put the water right on the towel and use that to take off. And sometimes after I wash my face, I use a towel with the cold side of the water just so that it closes my pores, so that my skin is fresh. Fresh lang ang beauty natin, sis! No rest on my skin. So it's very simple. And now using a dry towel, and of course, we just tap it with a dry towel. Ilapat mo lang sa face natin, sis! And now I feel so fresh! Ang fresh ng peg! Yes! Just don't forget to smile! Pa-cute lang ng pa-cute, di ba? And then just use your favorite moisturizer. I'll be using the Shiseido moisturizer, the Bio Performance. And now it's time to bring back the moisture onto the skin. Moisture lang, sis! And just massage the moisturizer right onto the face. Massage, massage lang ang peg, sis! Di ba? And of course, don't forget your eye cream. And I'll be using the Estée Lauder eye cream. And I love this eye cream because it's anti-aging. Kasi ayokong tumanda. And do it also on the other side. So, no aging, no tanda. And then take off my ponytail. Diba, eksena lang kunyari yung pagtanggal ng ponytail. Fresh and beautiful, sariwa ang peg. And now it's time for bed. And that's how I take off my makeup with a camera that has no filter. You can actually see that I struggle more taking off my makeup than putting it on. But that's the fun part of it, and I want to be honest to all of you on how I take off my makeup every day. So if you enjoyed this reality video of mine on taking off my makeup, I hope you can give me a thumbs up, and if you could write down in the comment section below, I would appreciate your feedback. And if you've also been enjoying my videos, I hope that you can subscribe. That would be really amazing. And again, this is Alec Castle saying, let's all spread love, laughter, and a little bit of makeup. I still have to work tomorrow, so just want to wish you sweet dreams, and I love you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Mahal kita! I hope you enjoyed my first English Tagalog makeup tutorial. Sana po nagustuhan po ninyo, and I hope I can see you next week. I hope you can also drop in the comment section below. Sulat po kayo kung ano pang gusto nyo gawin ko, and I'm so appreciative of our time together. I love you! Mahal kita!